Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to add voice in character.ai. So first let's open our app, and then after waiting for a couple of seconds, so there you go. In the lower part of our screen we can see the chat, the create button, the explore, and the notification. So among all of these, choose this plus icon, create. And then in here we can see character, group chat, persona, and voice. So obviously, if you want to add voice, just click this voice. And then in here you can create a character voice, so which can agree and continue. And there you go. You can upload sound, which is 3 to 15 seconds audio file, or another option is you can record sound, wherein you can record your own clip with using microphone. And that's all.